Hi everyone, this is Dalai Lama, Assistant Professor Physics in WITS College. Welcome to WITS Connect. Previous class we discussed the dimension formulas examples. Today we discuss the topics principle of homogeneity of dimensions. Principle of homogeneity of dimensions. The statement of homogeneity of dimensions. The dimensions of all the terms on both sides of an equation must be same. Both sides of an equation must be same. For example, v is equal to u plus at. v is equal to u plus at. v is the final velocity. The final velocity, the principle of final velocity, displacement by time, displacement by time. This is the formula of final velocity. The dimension formula of displacement is the L by T. This is the dimension formula of final velocity L t to the power of minus 1 is the final velocity of the dimension formula L t to the power of minus 1. Next one is the U. U is the initial velocity. Initial velocity. Same. The formula of initial velocity, displacement by time. So the dimension formula of initial velocity is L t to the power of minus 1. This is the initial velocity of the dimension formula. Next another one is the acceleration. This is the A. A is the acceleration. The acceleration is the formula velocity by time. So velocity by time. But velocity formula displacement by time. Displacement by time. So the formula of acceleration displacement by time square. This is the formula of acceleration. Next one is the dimension formula of acceleration. The displacement is L. The time is T by T. So L t to the power of minus 2. This is the dimension formula of acceleration. Last one is the T. T means the time. The formula is the time. The dimension formula of time is square bracket of T. This is the first equation. This is the second equation. This is the third equation. This is the fourth one. This is the fifth equation. Repeat once again. The example of the homogeneity of dimensions. V is equal to u plus at. The V is the final velocity. The formula of final velocity displacement by time. The displacement by time. The dimensional formula. The dimensional formula displacement is the length. The length dimension formula is L. The dimension formula of time is T. So L into t to the power of minus 1 is the final velocity. Same initial velocity. The dimension formula L t to the power of minus 1. The other one is the acceleration. The formula of acceleration velocity by time. The other one definition is the velocity displacement by time. Displacement by time into time, time square. Displacement by time whole square. So L by t to t square. The dimension formula of acceleration L into t to the power of minus 2. Next another one is the time, is the t. The dimension formula of t is the 5. So equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, equation 5, substituting equation number 1. So substituting equation 2, equation 3, equation 4, equation 5 in substituting equation number 1. Therefore the V is called the dimension of L t to the power of minus 1, m power of 0. M power of 0 means is 1. Next one is the initial velocity, m power of 0, L t to the power of minus 1. Next one is the A, m power of 0, L into t to the power of minus 2 into t. Previous slide only L t inverse. The dimension formula of velocity or m power of 0, L t to the power of minus 1 is the velocity. Dimension formula. Your choice to write down the dimension formula of velocity L t to the power of minus 1 or m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 1. M power of 0 means 1. 1 into L to the power of minus 1 is equal 1 into L to the power of minus 1. So, to substitute equation 2, 3, 4, 5, substitute equation number 1. The velocity, V is the final velocity, m power of 0 L into t to the power of minus 1 equal is the initial velocity, m power of 0. M power of 0 means is 1. 1 into L into t to the power of minus 1 means L into t to the power of minus 1 plus m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 2 into acceleration, the into t. The basis is the t. The power is 1. To write down m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 1 plus m power of 0. To write down t power of minus 2 t power of minus 1. The bases are t. The bases are equal. The powers are adding. T power of minus 2 plus 1 equal t power of minus 1. Bases are equal. T the bases are equal. The power minus 2 plus 1. So powers is adding. Minus 2 plus 1 is equal minus 1. L into t to the power of minus 1. So m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 1. This is the principle of homogeneity of dimension. The statement of principle of homogeneity of dimensions. The dimensions of all the terms. The dimensions MLT, all the terms on both sides of an equation must be same. So m power of 0 L to the power of t, L into t power of minus 1 equal m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 1 plus m power of 0 L t to the power of minus 1, the same. So the statement is proved. This is the principle of homogeneity of dimensions. The important principle of homogeneity of dimensions. The dimension of formula of a physical quantity in two different systems is given by n1 into m1 power of a, l1 power of b, t1 power of c equal n2 in m2 power of a, l2 power of b, t2 power of c, where n1 and n2 are numerical values. Two different systems means CGS system and a SI system. This is the two different system. For example, is the M. The CGS system in mass. The mass is gram. In CGS system, the M1 is gram. The mass M1 is gram. In CGS system, the length L1 is centimeter. In CGS system, the time T1 is the second. Next one is the CGS system. This is the SI system. Next one, the SI system of mass M2 is kilogram, is the kg. The SI system of length L2 is kg, the meter. The T2, the SI system of T2, the time is second. Repeat once again. The dimension formula of a physical quantity. Two different systems means CDS system, another one is the SI system, is given by n1 into n1 n2 is the numerical values. m1 power of a, l1 power of b, t1 power of c equal n2 into m2 power of a, l2 power of b, t2 power of c, where n1 n2 are numerical values. The CDS system of mass is gram. The CDS system of length is centimeter. The CDS system of time is second. Next one is the two different systems. The SI system of mass m2 is kilogram. The SI system of length L2 is meter. The SI system of time t2 is second. The next one topic is application of dimension analysis. There are three applications in dimensional analysis. The first one is the one system of units can be converted into another system. Repeat once again. One system of units can be converted into another system. For example, the CGS system converted into SI system, or the SI system is converted into CGS system. The second one is the correctness of an equation can be checked. The correctness of an equation can be checked. The third one is the equation connecting different physical quantities can be derived. This is the three application of dimension analysis. The midterm exams, two compulsory, one question. There are three questions. Compulsory, one question is the first mid exams. For example, one system of units can be converted into another system. The correctness of an equation can be checked. The another question. Third one is the equation connecting different physical quantities can be derived. Next class we discussed one system of units can be converted into another system.